Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, February 5th, and so far it's breezy and kind of comfortable, not very hot or anything like that. It's been sprinkling a little bit, but I think I'm going to get out and try and put some new seeds into one of my raised beds. The seeds I'm going to put in are bush beans, and I got them from Botanical Interest. These are a 50-day variety, heirloom, and they're only supposed to get about 2, maybe 2.5 feet tall. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in part of the raised bed where I removed lettuce and bok choy from. And then when the cabbage that's also in there is taken out, I'm going to put bush beans in the other half of it. Bed I was speaking of. And the first thing I'm going to do is scratch around a little bit in the soil with a hand trowel. Not going too deep. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is take my trusty hurry and dig a little trench with it, going down maybe 3 inches. And I'm going to take some of my 855 fertilizer and pour it in the trench. And we're going to cover it back up. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is plant the seeds about 1 inch deep in a triangle method. So I'm going to start here, go down to the first indentation in my finger, come over, do the same thing until I have a bunch of triangles. Each row is going to be about 4 or 5 inches apart. Last one right here. So that should give me 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 plants. this is what they look like. So I'm going to press the seed in each hole. Doesn't matter which way it goes particularly. Lightly cover the holes rather. It's supposed to rain later on this afternoon, but until then, I'm going to go and get my my water hose and hand water them in. Okay, we're back. And turn the water on low. Can't remember if I stated the variety of the bush beans, but these are the Contender type variety. Bush beans, if you're like me, you call them string beans, or green beans. So these are supposed to be very prolific, and they grow to be about 4 to 6 inches long. So I'm looking forward to probably sometime late March, early April, with having a harvest. Okay, so as I stated earlier, these came from botanical interest. So when I ordered them, I got 3 packs of seeds, and they also sent me sunflower seeds. So later on this year, I'm going to try and make my first attempt at planting sunflower seeds. And they also sent me these recycled paper pots that I can start seeds in. I'm not sure if I'll use these. I'm happy with the way I start my plants now. And as I said, if you're interested in the Contender bean or any other type of vegetable or flower, go head on over to Botanical Interest on my website, and they have a large variety of them. I want to thank you for coming along with me while I planted these real quick. Like I said, we'll follow them along, and hopefully when they mature and come up about 50 days after that, I'll have a harvest. So until then, remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great variety of food for yourself and your family. I want to take this moment to have you consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. I know a lot of you watch my material, and I'm happy about that. Go ahead and consider subscribing. That also helps my channel. If you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button. That helps with the YouTube algorithm. And hit the notification bell. You'll be notified whenever I upload new content. So until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.